Welcome to the Palace of Münster. Friends, you are standing in front of one of the most significant buildings not only in Münster, but in all of Westphalia. This is not just a palace, but a real symbol of transformation. Here are the most interesting things you need to know about this amazing place to feel its spirit. This palace, built for the church prince. It was not just the palace of a king or duke, but the residence of the prince bishop, first bishop. This is a unique title in Germany when one person had both spiritual, bishop, and secular, prince, power. The palace is a pure example of German Baroque. Pay attention to the contrast. It is built of red brick, typical for the region, and decorated with elements of light Baumberg sandstone. This makes it elegant and Westphalian at the same time. It was built by Johann Conrad Schloss, the main Baroque architect of Westphalia. He was a true craftsman who left his mark on many of the region's majestic buildings. Take a look at the central avant-corps, topped by a small lantern with a bell. It's not just a decoration. 3 times a day, this bell plays one of 10 programmed melodies. This is a kind of musical clock of the palace, which adds charm. It also strikes every quarter of an hour. You will also see a weather vane on top. If you look closely, then, according to tradition, it often has the shape of a swan, a symbol of the city of Münster. Right behind the palace is one of the most interesting sights of the city, which is definitely worth visiting. The former princely garden complex was transformed into the University Botanical Garden. It is an oasis of peace and nature. Here you will find impressive greenhouses where exotic and tropical plants grow. It's like a small piece of jungle in the middle of a German city. After World War II, when the palace was badly damaged by bombing, it was restored. But it did not become a museum or a government institution. Since 1954, it has been the main building of the Westphalian Wilhelm University. Imagine how students come to lectures in a real Baroque palace every day. This makes Münster a youth and science city. The huge square in front of the palace, Schlossplatz, is so large for a reason. Major city events are constantly held here, including the famous Send, one of the largest folk fairs in Germany, which is held 3 times a year, and the prestigious international equestrian competition, Tournament of Winners, Tourniater Sieger. So, take a photo, because it is not every day that you stand in front of a university, which was the residence of the Prince Bishop and sings Baroque melodies. Thank you for your likes and your subscription. Many amazing places are waiting for you.